We have three partners, Molly, Bhola and Raj. Molly, Bhola and Raj. We have to calculate interest on capital. Interest on capital. Interest on capital. Okay? Molly, 5 lakh into 5%. Bhola, 8 lakh into 5%. And Raj, 4 lakh into 5%. Okay? So it comes to how much? It comes to Molly 25,000, Bhola how much? 40,000, and this is 20,000. So interest on capital we have got Molly, Bhola and Raj. না বুঝতে পারলে বলবি। নেক্সট, ইন্টারেস্ট অন ড্রয়িং। ইন্টারেস্ট অন ড্রয়িং, Molly, Bhola, Raj. Bhola, first comes in Molly. We are taking Molly first. Molly, they have told, withdrew 10,000 at the end of each quarter. 10,000 at the end of each quarter. So amount into 4, quarter means 4 quarters in the year. So 10,000 into 4 into interest on drawings is 12%. So 12 by 100 into end of each quarter. End of each quarter means the formula is 4.5 by 12. 12 minus 3 divided by 2. 12 minus 3 divided by 2. 10,000 into 4 into 12 by 100 into 4.5. This comes to how much? 400 into 4.5 comes to how much? 1,800. 1,800. Next, Bhola. Bhola withdrew 5,000 at the end of each month. 5,000 into 12 into 12 by 100, end of each month, 5.5 by 12. Every month, each month, 5,000, 5,000 into 12 into percentage into 5 by 12, 5.5 by 12. 12 কেটে গেল equals to 3,300. And Raj, how much? 40,000 at the end of each half year. end of each half year. So Raj, end of each half year. So end of each half year means June and March. One is June, 30th June, and one is 31st March. For 31st March, there will be no interest on drawing because it is on the last day. It is on the last day of the year. On 31st March, no interest. Only for June, we have to calculate the interest. Then it will come to how much? At the end, 40,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12. 40,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12. It comes to 2,400. So these are the calculations of interest on capital and interest on drawing. Another calculation we have to calculate is interest on loan. Interest on loan. Interest on loan for whom? Bhola. Bhola have extended a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the farm on 1st April. That is on the beginning. Bhola have extended a loan of rupees 1 lakh. So for full year, from 1st April to 31st March, whole year, there will be interest on loan. At the rate, it has already been mentioned, 6% per annum. It is already mentioned 6% per annum. So 1 lakh into 6% is 6,000. So these are the different informations that we have calculated from the sum. Okay?